Tesla robot, full breakdown. On Tesla's most recent Tesla AI Day, Elon Musk decided to drop the bomb and introduce the world to his latest playing thing, a new humanoid robot called Optimus. Musk started Tesla AI Day 2022 by saying, "I want to set some expectations with respect to our Optimus robot." Just then, the doors opened behind him and a robot walked out, waved at the audience, and did a little dance. This new humanoid robot that reportedly is powered by AI is going to be Tesla's new product in the coming years. In this video, we take a look at everything you need to know about the humanoid robot being developed by Musk and Tesla. Stay tuned. The Tesla humanoid robot has been a topic of discussion for quite a long time now. It was first announced at the company's artificial intelligence project last year. The first prototype of Optimus was finally ready and revealed to the world at the end of September this year. Musk's vision for the Tesla robot is massive. He said, "Optimus is going to be incredible in 5 years. 10 years, mind-blowing." The CEO said other technologies that have changed the world have plateaued. The robot is just starting. Tesla's CEO envisions Optimus eventually being like Commander Data, the android from Star Trek: The Next Generation, except it would be programmed to be less robot-like and more friendly. Undoubtedly, there is a long way to go to achieve what Dr. Noonien Soong created in Star Trek TNG. What was demonstrated on stage wasn't at that level, but several videos throughout the presentation highlighted what the robot is capable of at its very early stages in development. The audience watched the robot pick up boxes, deliver packages, water plants, and work at a station at the Tesla factory in Vermont. Gradual development. The first robot to take the stage at AI Day was not Optimus, it was Bumblebee, another acknowledgement to the Transformers, as Bumblebee played a significant role in the franchise. However, Bumblebee is far less advanced than Optimus, who did appear later but was on a cart. Several Tesla engineers took turns on the microphone describing some of the most complex elements on the project. Perhaps the best description of the project was the company moving from building a robot on wheels to a robot on legs. However, that may be oversimplifying. For example, the car has now 2 motors, and the robot has 28 actuators. Overall design and battery life. Tesla demonstrated how the production has come to life over the past 8 months. It seems Tesla's group of computer masterminds had to become anatomist experts as Tesla took hints from the human body to create a humanoid robot. That is an essential factor in creating Optimus. Everything people interact with is made usable by a human with 2 legs, 2 arms, 10 fingers, etc. If the robot differed from what the world is already designed for, everything would have changed. However, recreating the human body and its countless movements would take far too long. So Tesla had stripped it down to less than 30 core movements, not including the hand. And just like the human torso contains the heart, the robot's chest holds a battery. It's projected that a single charge would provide enough for a full day's work. With a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery, all the battery electronics are integrated into a single printed circuit board within the pack. That technology keeps charge management and power distribution all in one place. Tesla used lessons learned from vehicle and energy production to create the battery, allowing for streamlined manufacturing and simple and effective cooling methods. Autopilot technology. Tesla has been developing autopilot technology for its cars, so it makes computer sense for it to use the technology on the robots it's developing. During the presentation, Tesla showed what the Optimus humanoid robot sees, and it looked very familiar. That's because the neural networks are pulling directly from autopilot. Training data had to be collected to show indoor settings and other products not used within the car. Engineers have trained neural networks to identify high-frequency features and key points within the robot's camera streams, such as charging stations. Tesla has also been using the autopilot simulator, but has integrated it for use with robot programming. The torso also contains the centralized computer that Tesla says will do everything a human brain does, such as processing vision data, making split-second decisions based on multisensory inputs, and supporting communications. In addition, the robot is equipped with wireless connectivity and audio support. Yes, the robot is going to have conversations. Optimus being friendly to humans is one of Musk and Tesla's biggest objectives. During the presentation, Musk said, "We really want to have fun, be utilitarian, and also be a friend and hang out with you." Motors mimic joints. At the start of the video, we mentioned how the motor and At the start of the video, we mentioned how the motors on Tesla's electric cars mimic joints on the humanoid robot's body. The 28 actuators throughout the robot's frame are placed where many joints are in the human body. Just one of those actuators was shown lifting a half-ton, 9-foot concert grand piano. There have been thousands of test model runs to show how each motor works with the other and how to effectively operate the most relevant actuators for a task. Even the act of walking takes several calculations that the robot must make in real time, not only to perform but also appear natural. The robots will be programmed with a locomotion code. The desired path goes to the locomotion planner, which uses trajectories to state estimations, very similar to the human vestibular system. Human hands can move 300 degrees per second and have tens of thousands of tactical sensors. Hands can manipulate anything in our daily lives, from bulky, heavy items to something delicate. Now, Tesla is recreating that with Optimus. 6 actuators and 11 degrees of freedom are incorporated into the robot hand. It has an in-hand controller that drives the fingers and receives sensory feedback. The fingers have metallic tendons to allow for flexibility and strength. The hands are being created to allow for a precision grip of small parts and tools. Responsible robot safety. Musk wanted to start AI Day with the epic opening scene from Terminator when a robot crushed a skull. He has heard the fears and people warning, "Don't go down the Terminator path." But the CEO said safety is a top priority. There are safeguards in place, including designs for a localized control ROM that would not be connected to the internet, that can turn the robot off. He sees this as a stop button or remote control. Room for improvement. Based on what we saw in Tesla's presentation, Optimus is a long way from being able to operate with humans or in human environments. The capabilities of the robot showcased fall far short of the state-of-the-art in humanoid robotics. The Atlas robot made by Boston Dynamics, for example, can walk outdoors and carry out flips and other acrobatic maneuvers. And while Atlas is an experimental system, even the commercially available Digit from Agility Robotics is much more capable than what we have seen from Optimus. Digit can walk on various terrains, avoid obstacles, rebalance itself when bumped, and pick up and put down objects. There definitely is a lot more to come for Optimus. Optimus price. Now keep in mind that Tesla's humanoid robots are still in its early stages. It's therefore far too early to say anything about how Optimus will be used. Right now, plans are for Optimus to be used in Tesla's factories to perform labor activities such as heavy lifting and moving things around. Musk said the development of Optimus may broaden Tesla's mission statement to include making the future awesome. He believes the potential is not recognized by most, and it really boggles the mind, Musk said. This means a future of abundance. There is no poverty. You can have whatever you want in terms of products and services. It really is fundamental transformation of civilization as we know it. All of this at a price predicted to be less than $20,000 USD. That could be the price of Optimus decades down the line. However, right now, don't expect the human robot to be cheap. And that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching this one. Thanks for watching.